Oh, hi YouTube, Thundrblade in the area. Okay, today I'm going to do a full range test. Okay, let's see how far can I go with only electric assist. But to begin with, I'll just try to actually skate without the power, so you can see that you can actually skate. Okay, we are in a downhill. You can skate. I'm actually just coasting right now. You see? No throttle. But yeah, these things are pretty heavy. I don't know. These things are pretty heavy. I don't think you should count on skating far away distance on this. Like if you want to just like the last 100 meters before home, that's okay. You can do that, but I don't think you should try to skate long distance with this much weight. So let's talk about the test right now, okay? I'll be doing this test mostly on this cycle path here, which is mostly flat. There's cars around anyway. So I'm going to use my GPS watch to actually track how many kilometers I can get out of these. You can see here the batteries are both full power. I will be doing the test in the medium setting, where it's limited to around 15 to 17 kilometers an hour, and see, because this would be the most economical setting. So let's see how much range can I get out of these two 4.4 amp hour hoverboard batteries. So I have around 315 watt hour worth of power here. So I think I will be going around 20 kilometers of range. Started. So yeah, you see, zero distance. Let's go. I'm actually putting out 18 kilometers an hour now, full throttle on the medium setting. Okay, so here the cycle path actually ends, so I need to convert to other side. Okay, it does get time. Okay. It's actually hard to get used to the brakes because I don't know if the remote. Whoa! Woo! I just hit a stake on the ground. Oh my god! Let's pay attention to the ground. Okay, the brakes, they're not really easy to use. I think the button here is too short, so it kind of activates suddenly. So I don't know how we're going to do about it, but I think you can just get used to it. So let's see. Okay, so far 1.8 kilometers. We still go 100% battery. So I'm going to show you the reverse. You press 2 times power. You see the arrow right here. And then when you accelerate, you're gonna go backwards. So let's see. then hit 2 times and forward again. Okay, I am definitely not used to going backwards on this setup. Okay, it was actually the first time I did a proper reverse, so I'll try to find someone to actually get a maximum speed reverse. Can you imagine it? Oh my god, that should be like some crazy stuff. So let's keep doing the test. We are up to 2 kilometers now. Okay. So, after 3 kilometers or so, my left foot rear motor starts to act. So I stopped here at the bus stop. So to take a look, I took the motor off and I realized a little bit of a noise. Okay, let's try to catch this. Okay, here it is. Right? So I put the remote control on Pro mode to listen it to in full speed. Yeah, you can see a little bit of a noise when it stops. Okay, let's see again. Right? I don't know if you could listen to it because someone with a boombox just passed by. Anyway, I don't know what it is, but the range test is now over. I will go back home and try to check what is wrong with this motor, and I'll probably disassemble the motor right now because it may be a broken bearing, it may be a loose magnet or something. Okay, but something's definitely wrong with this one motor. No one of the other 3 motors does this kind of noise. And if I can't actually fix it, well, it's going to be 2 motors testing next time, because if one motor is broken, I will just need to test with the other 3. So I will do a 2 motor setup if I can't fix this one, and then do a range test with 2 motors, because realistically, most people will want to get a 2-wheel setup anyway. And yeah, that's it. I will go back home right now. Let's trust I can get home safely. Okay, let's go. Always put your lanyard. Don't lose your remote. Okay, let's get this back to medium. I actually feel pretty safe riding on medium. The high setting, oh my god, this is so close to the... I'm so tall because of this skate. I don't feel safe right now. I don't think I can actually manage full power on these 4 motors. Maybe with 2, I actually can. But okay, let's go home. Let's go back to the cycle path. We'll go home a little bit slower because I'm actually scared if maybe the motor will just lock and then I will fall to the ground, and I do not want to fall, you know. Because of the camera, because of the remote, because of my health, you know. Let's go slowly and hope for the best. Yeah, I can definitely feel the left foot motor, right? It's dragging. I know what's happening. I don't know. Maybe it's a short circuit. Maybe it's not mechanical. Anyway, but I can definitely feel the left foot lagging. Yeah, it's very weird, right? It's very weird. I don't know what's happening to the motors. I don't know why this is happening, but sometimes it feels that like the motors are just off completely, and sometimes it feels like it's okay, everyone is working just fine. So yeah, let's go. Well, right now it feels like everything's working together, all fine. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I can't jump with this setup. I need to get the new frame to be able to actually jump. Obstacles, this one does not stand the jumps, not even a little bit more, a little bit heavier step. So, so far. Okay, now everything seems to be working fine. I don't get this. Anyway, it's almost home. Let's go. Okay, we're here, so let's take a look at this at the table and see if I can figure something out, or if I couldn't. Okay, by the way, 4.6 kilometers and both batteries still show as full. So it should have been like at least a quarter of the battery down, but I don't think it can measure so accurately. So let's see. Okay, so let's open this motor and see what's going on inside. Okay, so let's grab our skate 2, take off the nut, and let's see what's going on here. Okay, let me take off the wire here. Right around this. Okay, oh, it's shit. Okay, no, I need to. Okay, here's the motor. Okay. Okay, so all the screws are off. So let's see if we can pry this open. Okay. Okay, I couldn't open from this side, which I thought was going to be kind of easy when I took all the screws, but I don't know if this is glued or not. Maybe it is glued, so if it is glued, I will not be able. And these screws, they don't go all the way through, you see? So it's unlikely that these screws are holding this. Anyway, gonna unscrew this side. Let's go. Okay, so let's try on this side, see if it's easier. I can see there's the bearing here, like a really huge bearing, but it doesn't move. It's kind of really solid. I'm trying to make something like At least I'm not afraid of this falling off. I mean, I'm trying to take it off. And I actually realized that this motor is not the replaceable tire option. So I kind of messed up with this. Although I don't think I will ever wear this out anyway. But I still don't know what to do about the bearing. Let me get an axle. Here, around here, it actually turns together. So this is one part, and this is all this part go through the axle up to here. So this black part here, you can see the scratches, and it will turn together. So it's one piece. And the bearing is around this and locks beneath the metal plate here, which I think it's aluminum. And I can't take them off. I'm trying to, but maybe my tools aren't strong enough, or maybe I'm not strong enough. Okay guys, I took off the motor that was acting weird. I took off the screws, but I couldn't take off the plates. Like, didn't matter what I did. It doesn't matter what I do. It's just like really stuck in there. I think it might be glued. If this thing is glued, I might need to destroy the tire to be able to pry this open to see if it's a broken bearing or something. So that's as far as I can go today. And so this is as far as I will go today on this motor. I will keep trying to open and fix it. So next video is about fixing this motor, okay? Sorry guys, the range test was a failure because one of the motors actually broke. I don't know what caused it yet. I'll keep trying to fix it, and I'll keep you guys updated on Instagram, on Twitter. And thank you very much for watching. And soon, let's storm the streets.